Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a high-resolution scan because detail matters. Duplicate the background so you keep the original safe. Next, pick the spot healing brush for quick dust and small scratches. Use a sampling size just larger than the blemish. When edges or texture differ, switch to the clone stamp with a soft brush and low opacity to build up corrections gradually. Once done with local fixes, hide and reveal layers via masks to confirm your cleanup remains natural. Now you address tone and color so the image reads correctly, add a curves adjustment and pull the highlights and shadows to increase contrast while preserving midtones for faces. Make a separate camera raw or hue/saturation layer to correct faded color and tint. Tap the targeted adjustment tool on skin if needed. Use layer masks to limit these changes to backgrounds or clothing, because global edits can overcook skin tones. Once satisfied, lower opacity and toggle the before-after to check balance. Finish by sharpening subtly. Convert to a smart object, apply Smart Sharpen with a low radius and moderate amount, then mask it off noisy or smooth skin to avoid artifacts. If the image gained harsh grain from earlier edits, introduce a tiny Gaussian blur on a duplicate layer and add matching noise to blend texture. This harmonizes the look. Save your layered PSD for future fixes, then export a flattened TIFF or JPEG. If colors shift after export, check your color profile and resample method as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.